Hi, I'm gonna show you today. We're gonna make a 3D frame for your canvas. So let's get started. So basically, you're gonna measure your length and your width of your canvas, and measuring from the inside your actual picture. And then you're gonna cut a few pieces of wood. I would say about 4 pieces. I have there is about 1 inch, 1.5 inch wide. It depends on how big you want your frame, the thickness. Okay, and then you're gonna cut the corners, and these corners are gonna be a diagonal, so you can join it to be a perfect square. I usually lay them out and draw some lines so I know what I'm cutting and where I'm joining, so that way you won't get any mistakes. So these are the cuttings. As you can see, the corners that I cut, and I just lay it out there so I know what is joining and prepare for some glues. So here I use a clamp, corner clamps, put some glues in there and clamp them together. Okay, and you will see a perfect square when using this kind of tools. I also use staple to kind of hold them together in the corners. Okay, so that will give you more reinforcement. Glue alone may be okay. And you notice I have a triangle that I cut from the piece of wood. I use them to enforce the corner, so it'll be more square, and also make it more tougher. Okay, I use clamp, just glue them together and clamp them together. And here is what it's look like after you glue all the corners together, and you get yourself a frame. So here is what is the frame look like on the canvas. It should be the same size as your picture, the inside of your picture, not the white part but the actual picture. So starting by folding in your canvas, make sure the picture is over your frame so it will show all the picture from the corners and all the edges. And I draw just so some lines so I can start to fold them and staple them together. I use a hammer to secure it from a staple, because sometimes staple might not hold strong enough. And we fold the corners and cut the excess and staple the corners down. Okay. We do both sides at the same time, so you can see the actual flap of both corners going together. Okay, so this is after the staple all the corners together. Okay, notice the picture is over the lap, cutting all the excess. And the final last is just staple all the corners, make sure they are secure and tight. Okay, and here's the big final. Thanks for watching.